How to recover unsaved Notepad file in Windows. Sometimes we accidentally close Notepad or window crashes and unsaved files are lost. So if we do not recover them quickly, we may lose important notes. So let's restore unsaved Notepad files step by step. So for that, what we can do is we can open up File Explorer and go to our C drive. And once we are here, we can look out for users, and here basically look out for our username. What is your username for your PC? And within there, basically look out for app data. And within app data, look out for local and select the option for temp here. So go ahead and find temp, this one right here. And here you can open them with Notepad. You can right click on it and select the option for open with in Notepad. So you can just go over and do so. Once you open it up with Notepad, you can save the file immediately. Apart from that, you can use recent files. For that, you can go to Notepad. Once you go ahead and open up Notepad, you can basically go ahead and press ctrl plus O to open up your recent files and check if your files appear in this section right here, and open it up and save it from this section. This is one of the methods possible. Apart from that, you can restore from your backup. So you can right click on your folder where your file was saved, go ahead and find it up, and you can just go and go to their properties of your folder. And once you go to their properties, you can just go over and look out for previous versions option available, and there look out for, you can browse your previous versions for your file. You can copy it or restore it from that section right there. If not saved anywhere, there are tools like Recuva or Ease US Data Recovery that can scan temporary files and recover Notepad documents. But if it's happened temporarily, permanently deleted, there's no such way to get it back up. But you can try out this method, and that's how we basically do it. So you may follow up this process to recover your unsaved note files in Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.